Chenab railway bridge. Now it has been test run has been done on the Chenab railway bridge, that is on Chenab river in Jammu and Kashmir Union Territory of India, and it is around 100 kilometers north of Jammu railway station. It is en route to Jammu and Srinagar. If someone is going from Jammu and Srinagar, this Chenab railway bridge has been constructed out there, and it is considered as the highest railway bridge right now. And it has been tested, and it has been tested with the normal passenger also. Now I don't know that it is being used as a commercial purpose or still it is being tested only. But why Chenab bridge has taken in 2022 only Chenab bridge was ready. Now 2025 has come. Still Chenab bridge is under a question mark that that should be really used in a professional manner or not. The answer lies in Chenab railway bridge is an arc bridge. We have shown many times of it. So if arc bridge, okay, so if these are two sides of the hill, there is a hill like this, and under the hill there is a river is passing. Now along the side of the hill, they put two pillars. They insert two pillars in the mountain. Okay, they I'm sorry. There is not two pillar. Okay, pillar is also all right. What they do is that they insert one arc in the mountain. Okay, there is an arc, circular arc like this, circular or parabolic, whatever it is. They insert arc in the mountain. When they insert arc in the mountain, this is circular. Now, if this is circular, if they make any pressure on it, because of the circular nature, this pressure will directly go in the mountain. Okay, if there is circle like this, if you put pressure here, the pressure will go all along it and it will go inside the mountain. So mountain is taking the pressure. Now they will make a pillar on the bridge, on the arc only. This is called arc bridge. They will make a pillar on the arc only. So many pillars they will erect on the arc only, and on the pillar they will make a road. And if vehicle is coming on the road, it will put pressure on the pillar, and pillar will put pressure on this arc, and pressure will go inside the mountain in a vertical manner. Why it will go in vertical manner? Because if you take semicircle, if this is x-axis, if this is x-axis, consider this is a circle and this is x-axis. Then what is the slope at each point? That is dy by dx. Dy by dx is the slope. Here, the dy by dx is infinite. If you know, the formula of circle is x square plus y square equal to a square. Y equal to square root of a square minus x square. Dy by dx equal to minus x by square root of a square minus x square. Here the x is a. If x is a, then it becomes, if I take x is a, then minus a by a square root of a square minus a square, infinite. Dy by dx, slope at point A here is infinite, means this is exactly vertical. Here slope is like this, here slope is like this. Here if you calculate the slope, that is minus x by square root of a square minus x square, when x is 0, then slope is 0. There is no slope at all. If you see this side, consider this is the half of the circle and half below down is not there, only half is there. And this point it is inserted in the mountain, this point it is inserted in the mountain. At this point is exactly vertical in the mountain because dy by dx is infinite. This side it is exactly horizontal, otherwise like this. Now if someone is putting pressure vertically, then it will be, if what is the direction of the curve? Direction of the curve is a tangent along this. So if this is the tangent at this point, then vertical, the pressure on the arc will come like this. If this is the tangent at this point, then pressure will come like this. It will go along the tangent, tangent. Then the pressure will, means the pressure will mount on this curve, and finally the point where it is inside the curve, it is exactly vertical. So net energy that will go inside, pressure will go inside the mountain is vertical. So engineering is perfect in the Chenab railway bridge that is 359-meter high. And then if railway is passing through, how long it is? It is 1.3-kilometer stretch. If this is the railway bridge from this end to this end, it is 1.3 kilometer. If rail is passing through, then it will put pressure, and pressure will go in the mountain. We will talk about the danger here. That's why the railway department is in confusion what to do. Okay, so we are talking about the highest railway bridge or highest bridge in the world. So highest railway bridge in the world is Chenab railway bridge right now. But there is higher bridge that is being constructed in China, and that height is 381 meter, 381 meter above the river. Here it is 359 meter. Someone says 321 meter, whatever it is. 359 meter, and stretch is 1.3 kilometer. Now there is another railway bridge that is constructed in China over a river on a mountain that is 381 kilometer, 381 meter, 381 meter. Now here, here why this Chenab railway bridge is in danger? Because it falls in Himalayan zone, and Himalayan zone is very highly prone to landslide. Highly. If landslide happens, means the mountain shake. The Himalayan mountain is not the other mountain. It shakes, and it is a kind of earthquake zone. And if a little bit also, if it shakes, if railway is putting pressure, because railway is putting pressure, mountain is receiving pressure. If mountain it is so fragile. Himalaya is a very new mountain. Earlier this mountain was not there at all. Himalaya is a very new mountain. If it is very new mountain, if railway is putting pressure on the mountain shakes. If it shakes, then there is a high chance that there will be a crack on the arc. If there is a crack on the arc because of the train only, then the railway track may break, or the crack will come on the railway track, and there any catastrophe can happen. Anyway, China is making highest railway bridge, and considering that even though they would not be making on Himalaya, some other mountain, those are very rigid. Old mountains are powerful, rigid. Still, they are not making a arc bridge. They are making a rope bridge, cable bridge. Through cable bridge, they are erecting 381-meter high, not the arc bridge, because they know arc bridge is very dangerous. Means if something, if little bit also there is some shake is there, the arc bridge will easily it will go inside. There will be crack on this. So the high altitude, the bridge, what China is making, all are cable bridges only. Anyway, I have the list. We will probably talk about it. Okay, so my focus is not the kind of vulnerability in the Chenab bridge, talking about the all bridge in the world. Okay, which are high bridge. So there is a river called Bayapan River, Bayapan River, and river in China it's called Jiang. So Bayapan Jiang Bridge is now it is a road bridge, not railway bridge, and that is the highest bridge, that is 650 565 meter above the Bayapan River. 565. And that river, that bridge connects Guizhou. Guizhou is a province. Guizhou. Guizhou. Guizhou is a province in China. It connects Yunnan province in China. And that connecting bridge is this Bayapan Jiang Bridge that is formed on the Bayapan River, and it is 565-meter high, and this is a cable bridge. Okay, not like that. Now in China, there are 10 bridges. They are highest bridges in among the 12 bridges in the world. China is like in construction, in engineering side, China is showing a kind of masterpiece nowadays. Engineering side, especially in the civil engineering side, China is considered as a role model to the world architects. Now, out of 12 highest bridges, 10 are in China. In 1994, not even a single bridge was highest in the China. Post 1994, China has made a supernova explosion. In electronics arena, in civil engineering arena, China is pioneer. China has a separate space station like an international space station in the sky. China is booming. Now, in that sense, the kind of this is 565-meter high and it is 720-meter in the stretch. They deliberately make a stretch of the bridge less if it is very high. But here in Chenab bridge, it is 1.3, more than 1.3 kilometer stretch. Here it is 720-meter stretch. Anyway, it connects it is four-lane road. Four-lane road. Okay, anyway, Guizhou, Hubei, Yunnan, and Chongqing. These are the four states in China where the high altitude bridges are there. Means these are mountainous states. Okay, anyway, in 1994, there was only one bridge in the China 122-meter high of the river or whatever it is. Okay, in Guizhou, they are making another bridge that is 625-meter high. Chenab Bridge is 359-meter high. I believe that will be a roadway and that is 625 meters high. Its name is Huajiang. Huajiang means Hua is the river and Jiang is the name. Jiang is called river. Hua is the name of the river. Huajiang Bridge, Huajiang Grand Canyon Bridge in Guizhou province, and that will be 625-meter high and 2025 it will be completed. All are rope bridges, rope bridge. Yunnan, in Yunnan, they are making another bridge at called Hongchang Lane, Hongchang Langjiang Bridge. That will be 610-meter high. It will be completed in 2027, and Huangjiang Bridge will be completed in 2025 itself. Okay, then there is a Dudhe railway bridge. Dudhe, the bridge I am talking about, that name is Duduhe. Duduhe railway bridge that will be completed in 2028 and height is 381-meter high and that is a cable bridge. Cable bridge means there is a two side are big pillar that will go inside the earth vertically and this is the bridge. Then on the bridge they will be tied with cable. Okay, there won't be any pillar in between. Pillar is only two side and this is the, if this is the bridge, then this is the one side pillar and this is another side pillar. From pillar there will be cable like this. From this pillar cable will be like this. If any vehicle is passing, then it will put it down. Then cable is made in such a way that cable will try to pull it up, but it is in a so nicely way, it is inside, deeply inside the earth, that it will not come up and then it will sustain the weight. So that is cable bridge. Duduhe railway bridge 381 meter, that will be the highest railway bridge, cable bridge. Okay, anyway, is there not any arc bridge in China? Yes, there is. 307-meter high. There is an arc bridge in China also. But the bridge length is merely 352 meters. The Chenab railway bridge length is 1.3 kilometer. 1.3 kilometer one side to another side. There is a bridge called Najehe Bridge, railway bridge, Najehe railway bridge, and that is 307-meter high above the river, and that is a arc bridge, and but it is only 352 meters. There is a vulnerability difference is there. Here it is Himalaya. There it may not be Himalaya. In that sense, the where the arc is going inside the mountain is rocky, powerful. Here Himalaya looks like very good from outside, but it is I won't say it is weak. It is very new. If it is very new, it is not kind of solidified. It is not solidified means if something shakes, then stone will start falling immediately. That is Himalaya. Himalaya. So it is highly vulnerable. But China, they have made it. If they are making a very high railway bridge, then they are making it cable bridge, not the arc bridge, even though that is not Himalaya. Anyway, China is pioneer in the bridge in the sense there is a railway line between Shanghai and Beijing. Shanghai is the kind of point where it is along the sea, and there there is a longest river in China, that is Yangtze River. Yangtze the river that starts from Qinghai province in Tibet, in Tibetan region, then it go and empties into sea, Pacific Ocean, in near the Shanghai, and before Shanghai it makes a delta region. Over the delta region, they have made a railway bridge, and that bridge is 164-kilometer long, world's highest longest bridge. 164 kilometer long. There is a railway bridge, but from Shanghai to Beijing. On that railway bridge, rail passes through. But certainly, it is not 405 meter high. It is lower only. I have not mentioned the height, but it is very lower. So China is becoming pioneer in railway bridge. India is trying with the Chenab railway bridge, but I believe they made a mistake making it a arc bridge. Okay, why they went for arc bridge is 1.3 kilometer long. This side of Chenab and this side of Chenab is connected through 1.3 kilometer stretch. 1.3 kilometer stretch through ropeway is very difficult or impossible, kind of very difficult. In that sense, they wait for arc bridge. Okay, what we wish that when China is making high bridges and all are cable bridges, that too they are not Himalaya, and that too their width is very less, 300 400 meter. In that sense, 1.3 kilometer, and that in Himalaya, that is very fragile, and that to arc bridge only we can pray, only looking at the government of department of railway, the way it is making accident. Then I would say they should have some experience in this. They would have made some low range, low width Himalayan arc bridge. First, they should have tried it rather than going for world highest all of sudden arc bridge on Himalaya. Okay, God bless. This is what we can say to the railway department. All the best to everyone.